Welcome to samaditech, your go-to destination for the latest in cutting-edge tools and gadgets. Join us as we dive into the newest innovations and must-have gear that every DIY enthusiast and professional needs to stay ahead of the curve. Plate cutter is a multi-purpose attachment designed to fit drills or screwdrivers, enabling precise cutting of sheet metal. The main component secures into the chuck, while an auxiliary part attaches to the tool handle, enhancing stability and minimizing vibrations. This innovative design ensures clean, smooth cuts without rough edges and is effective on a range of sheet metals, including copper, galvanized steel, and aluminum. Constructed from a lightweight yet durable alloy, the attachment is both corrosion-resistant and safe to operate. The set includes all essential mounting keys, a handle, and fasteners, making it fully compatible with any standard drill or screwdriver. Cut's Weaver stripping machine provides efficient stripping for wires ranging from 0.6 inches to 9/8 inches in diameter. It can be operated manually with its smooth, gear-driven handle or powered by attaching a drill for faster processing. Made from high-strength cast aluminum and alloy steel, this compact machine weighs just 7.6 pounds. It includes adjustable depth clamps and a durable steel blade that can handle both soft and hard sheath wires, as well as single and stranded wires. This reliable compact tool is ideal for various wire stripping tasks. Quadsaw is a groundbreaking drill attachment engineered to cut square and rectangular holes in drywall with ease. Perfect for creating precise openings for outlets or ventilation, it features 4 synchronized blades and a guiding drill for clean, sharp corners. Built in horizontal and vertical levels ensure flawless accuracy, producing perfectly straight cuts every time. Made from a combination of metal, aluminum, and plastic, the Quadsaw is lightweight yet highly effective. Its quick attach design allows it to connect seamlessly to any drill, turning it into a high-performance tool for fast and accurate drywall cutting tasks. Letti Autohammer is a purpose-built tool for electricians designed to streamline cable clamping tasks without relying on a traditional hand hammer. This compact, one-handed device is particularly useful for tight or confined spaces where swinging a hammer isn't practical. Its impact force can be adjusted to suit different material hardnesses, providing precision and control for diverse applications. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Autohammer can deliver up to 500 nail strikes per charge. It also features a rapid charging system, requiring only 40 minutes to fully recharge. For added convenience, the tool comes with a carrying case, ensuring easy transport and organized storage, making it an efficient and practical choice for professional electricians. MILWAUKEE Electric Planer is a portable and precise tool perfect for small construction projects. This lightweight battery-powered device weighs only 3.1 pounds, ensuring easy maneuverability. Equipped with a durable brushless motor, it delivers reliable, long-lasting performance. Its dual carbide blades ensure a smooth, high-quality finish, while onboard blade storage adds convenience. The planer includes a built-in port for connecting to a construction vacuum, helping to maintain a clean workspace. With 21 depth adjustment settings, it allows for precise control over the surface finish, and it covers a cutting width of 3.83 inches. Powered by the versatile M12 battery system, this tool combines mobility and precision for an efficient woodworking experience. Trelawny Needle Scabbler is a compact yet powerful tool specifically designed for preparing surfaces on concrete and metal. It efficiently removes rust, old paint, and debris using a vibration mechanism equipped with tungsten carbide-tipped, cross-shaped needles to deliver a thorough clean. Despite its strong performance, this tool maintains low vibration levels, ensuring user comfort during extended use. It features a flexible handle that provides easy access to hard-to-reach areas and can be adjusted to a linear configuration when needed. Additionally, the tool's quick change mechanism allows for effortless swapping of heads, while the durable tungsten carbide tips retain their sharpness for long-term reliability. This makes it a practical choice for professional surface preparation tasks. Wolfcraft VLC Cutter is an efficient tool designed for cutting vinyl and laminate flooring with precision and ease. It is capable of handling laminate boards with a thickness of 2 to 4 inches and a width of up to 18 inches. For vinyl flooring, it supports thicknesses ranging from 8 to 25 inches, maintaining the same maximum width. This cutter facilitates quick and safe cuts, featuring a specialized slot for flexible vinyl to enhance convenience. Its adjustable stops allow for precise angle cuts up to 90 degrees, and when the limiter is removed, it can accommodate angles from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. The tool is suitable for both cross and lengthwise cuts, making it highly versatile. Constructed from a combination of durable plastic, steel, and aluminum, the cutter weighs just 8.51 pounds, ensuring portability without compromising on strength or functionality. Press-to-Cycle TorqRatchet Pro is a multifunctional tool crafted primarily for cyclists but versatile enough for various other applications. Constructed from durable alloy steel, both the wrench and its attachments are designed to withstand frequent and heavy use. The tool is compactly stored in a carry case, ensuring easy portability without consuming much space. Its key feature is its dual capability, functioning as both a torque wrench and a ratchet. It offers a torque range of 2 to 10 Newton meters, allowing for precise adjustments essential for delicate components. The set comes with a variety of bits, including screwdriver and hex bits, which can be quickly swapped in or out by pressing the top of the wrench for fast and efficient bit changes. This makes it an indispensable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. CAMO Marksman simplifies the process of achieving hidden fasteners for decking projects. Weighing only 2 pounds, this compact tool is easy to handle and maneuver across the decking surface. Its adjustable guide ensures precise screw placement along the edges of each board, resulting in a seamless, screw-free top surface. This tool is compatible with a variety of decking materials, including treated wood and composite boards, and supports board widths ranging from 5 1/4 inches to 5 3/4 inches. By hiding the screws, the design not only enhances the deck's appearance, but also minimizes the risk of cracks or splinters, providing a durable and polished finish. Kreg Guide Set is a highly adaptable tool designed for accurate angle milling and is compatible with both manual and machine-operated routers. Weighing just 9 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for use with manual routers and router tables. It supports various bevel sizes, including 1-inch and 2-inch options, and comes with templates for hole sizes of 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. The guide features a secure GripMax anti-slip surface and adjustable stop legs to keep the workpiece stable during operation. Its main guide includes a large ergonomic handle for comfortable handling. Made from durable, heat-resistant plastic, this set is built to ensure reliable and long-lasting performance for a variety of milling tasks. Eibenstock EDB Saber Saw is a high-performance professional-grade tool equipped with a robust 1.8 kilowatt motor. It supports cuts up to 18.8 inches deep and is built for a range of materials, including foam concrete, plastic, wood, and hollow bricks. This saw is designed to deliver precision cutting, ensuring smooth, chip-free edges for clean results. Its durable, brushless motor operates at a high speed of 3,100 strokes per minute, optimizing productivity. Blade changes are quick and straightforward, and the ergonomically designed handle provides comfort and ease of use during extended cutting tasks. This versatile tool is ideal for demanding professional applications. Makita Cordless Grease Gun is a high-performance tool designed for powerful lubrication, delivering a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi for effective grease penetration. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it offers 2 operational modes: a slow speed for precise control, and an auto mode that adjusts grease flow based on resistance, ensuring efficiency across applications. With a top delivery rate of 290 milliliters per minute, it makes lubrication tasks quick and hassle-free. The grease gun features a start button with a locking mechanism for continuous operation and weighs 11.3 pounds, making it manageable for extended use. Its reinforced hose allows for smooth grease distribution, and it supports both pre-packaged grease cartridges and manually filled reservoirs, providing flexibility for various lubrication requirements. OLFA knife is engineered for safe and efficient cutting while reducing hand fatigue and minimizing injury risks when working with materials like cardboard and film. Its handle is constructed from high-quality, durable plastic, and the blade is crafted from corrosion-resistant carbon steel, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance under heavy use. For enhanced safety, the knife includes an automatic blade retraction feature, retracting the blade into the handle after each cut. Additionally, a spare blade is provided, making replacements quick and convenient. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, making it an excellent choice for production facilities, warehouses, and other high-demand settings. The Metabo HPT rebar bending machine is equipped with a robust 8-amp motor, delivering 530 watts of power, making it capable of efficiently handling number 5 grade 60 rebar. The tool offers a variable speed trigger paired with a safety lock, providing precise manual control without unnecessary effort. Setting the desired bending angle is simple. Just adjust the dial, and the machine effortlessly bends rebar up to 180 degrees in just 5.1 seconds. For cutting, the machine operates even more swiftly, completing the task in only 3.1 seconds. Its bending plate is clearly marked for precise rebar positioning, ensuring accuracy every time. Metabo HPT combines proven reliability with modern innovation in this efficient tool, catering to professional demands with ease and precision. Ryobi kit makes installing mortise and tenon door hinges, locks, and deadbolts straightforward and efficient, even for those new to the process. This comprehensive kit includes a router attachment for cutting precise hinge slots in your desired size, a 1/8-inch drill bit, and a double-sided screwdriver. Constructed from durable plastic, the lightweight router attachment secures to the door with hooks for stability. For locks and deadbolts, the specialized attachment fits securely on the door leaf, complete with crown bits for drilling necessary holes. With its user-friendly design and precise components, this kit enables you to install hinges and locks with accuracy. No prior expertise required. The MILWAUKEE M18 Force Logic Copper Pipe Press Tool revolutionizes work for plumbers and installers. It stands out as the lightest in its category, being 20% lighter than comparable tools, yet delivers a powerful 7,200 pounds of pressing force. Designed with intelligence, it ensures a full press cycle can be completed by verifying battery charge before starting. Compatible with over 20 fitting systems, this tool is equipped with a brushless motor, offering 20% longer runtime and 10% faster press cycles. With an impressive service life of up to 50,000 cycles before calibration is required, it is built for durability. Additionally, the tool features the one-key system, allowing remote monitoring, control, and locking. Ideal for professionals, it saves time, reduces effort, and ensures precise results every time. ManSaver Pneumatic Post Driver is a highly efficient tool tailored for solo operation, perfect for quickly and effectively installing posts. Weighing just 26 pounds, this compact yet powerful device works seamlessly with any air compressor, delivering 70 psi of pressure. It's particularly advantageous for fencing projects in remote or hard-to-reach areas, achieving impressive speeds of 80 to 85 strokes per minute. The driver is compatible with round posts ranging from 7/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch in diameter, with optional sleeves available to accommodate other pipe sizes. For added convenience, it comes with a durable carrying case, making transportation and storage effortless.